Imagine earning online without making a single sale. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what the no-sale profit system promises. In today's video, I'm going to break down what this system really is, how it works, and why so many marketers are talking about it. We'll cover what the system is, who created it, how it generates income without sales, the step-by-step process, and whether it's a good fit for you. The no-sale profit system is basically a brand new approach to online income. Instead of trying to convince people to buy something, which is where most beginners get stuck, this system allows you to profit without selling at all. So how does that even make sense? Well, it's built around what's called lead generation and pay-per-call marketing. That means you get rewarded for generating interest, not for closing the sale. If someone clicks on your ad, fills out a form, or makes a phone call to a business, you can get paid even if they never buy anything. That's why it's called the no-sale system. Now, this isn't just some random setup. The system was actually created by two well-known names in the online business world, Mark Ling and Chris Reader. Mark Ling has been around in the affiliate marketing space for years. He's trained thousands of students and launched multiple successful programs. Chris Reader is also a digital marketing expert with deep knowledge in building performance-based systems. Together, they built the no-sale profit system to solve one of the biggest challenges that beginners face: the fear and difficulty of selling. Let's break down exactly how this thing works. Once you're inside, you start by choosing an industry to focus on, things like insurance, finance, health, or home services. These are industries where companies are always looking for new customers. Then, instead of selling a product, your job is simply to get potential customers to take action. That action might be filling out a form online or, more commonly, making a phone call. The company takes it from there, they'll answer the call, talk to the lead, and hopefully close the deal on their end. But here's the beauty of it. You get paid for sending them that lead regardless of whether the sale actually happens. For example, let's say someone clicks on your ad and calls an insurance company because they're curious about getting a quote. Even if they don't end up buying the policy, you still earn money because you delivered a qualified lead. That's the entire foundation of the no-sale profit system. This is what makes it so different from traditional affiliate marketing. You're not waiting around hoping someone pulls out their credit card and buys through your link. You're simply connecting people with businesses that are already eager for more customers. Companies love this model because they only pay when there's actual interest, not just for clicks or empty traffic. And as a beginner, you don't need to worry about closing the deal. You're just the bridge. So who would benefit the most from this? Honestly, if you're new to online income and the whole idea of selling feels overwhelming, this is worth paying attention to. It's also a good fit if you've tried affiliate marketing before but couldn't get results because sales were slow. Or maybe you're just someone who wants a side income without building complicated funnels or becoming a pushy salesperson. This model takes the pressure off because the end goal isn't a sale, it's simply generating leads. To wrap things up, the no-sale profit system by Mark Ling and Chris Reader is a fresh approach to online income that removes the hardest part of digital marketing, making the sale. Instead of chasing commissions through sales, you get paid for actions, leads, calls, and connections. It's a performance-based system that works well for both companies and marketers. If you'd like to learn more about the no-sale profit system, I've put a link in the description for you to check out all the details. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos about online income strategies, and let me know in the comments what you think about this no-sales approach.